Hey, that was a pretty good trick, man. Try sneezing down. That should propel us straight out of town. Even I admit that.
It's gonna get worse!